the hill, Bob 4 teachers 1 meal cod, then the atmosphere will get real hot.
My flow is like torrential downpours making steel rock. We pros whose credentials drown yours on the real blocks. It's not coincidental that we tour some real spots. Appeal, I never take it for granted. Write a memo and hand it to your receptionist. The game's about to change, here come the perceptionist.
I'm a genie, the next time you see me it's Ouija. It's easy, I'm folding this dimension and breezy. Event Horizon, Miles Bennett, Dyson, M, Tyson, M, Spice components for
2 black orators
of the year.
Yeah, here the masters of the hemisphere.
Universe,
pumping knowledge through the verse.
Intensity,
adrenaline, hip-hop's propelling through my melanin. Gentlemen, behold!
Live on David Letterman, you're sold on the brother's whole song. You want to hear another
down out there. I can't believe how deep this thing goes. I can't wait to see what the setup is in Camden Beach. I heard the odds might be better. We'll see. Keep smoking these guys out. Razor's out there. It's just a matter of time. I'll see ya.
Stop trying to get it, dude. Never turn my back on my city. Never let the money go with me. I never stop hollering at the sense you. And the sense go, and the sense go, and the sense go, and the sense go, and the sense go. Can I say something? Go, and the sense go, and the sense go. Hey, homie, you don't wanna get familiar with us. Nigga, I'm hoping you will give me a mic to brush. I'm sick of all you unfortunate supposed.
report of a vehicle moving at a high rate of speed, heading eastbound on Highway 99. Units to clearance, Feather.
You got any more details?
Attempting to get a better description of that vehicle. Stand by for update.
Yeah, I'll take that one. I'm heading over there now. Closing on a vehicle that just sped by me. Stand by while I attempt to stop him. Suspect is driving a white Volkswagen, moving way above posted limit. Dispatch just got hit. Vehicle's taking off on code 3.
Oh, Roger, go ahead.
I'm gonna need some code 3 cover. Nothing seems to be working.
Copy that, Sierra 16. I'm clearing units right now.
Update when I can. 1033, I'm declaring 1033. Get more units on this.
Copy, Sierra 16. Detailing units now.
Requesting 1073. I can't get this guy to slow down. Suspect slowing through the park. We're off-road. Left side of the vehicle. Get you to stand by. We're going to have to set up a quadrant. Disregard my last. I've caught up. Alright, let's form up on this point. I want to slow this down with a rolling block. We're advised. Disregard my last. I've caught up.
Sierra 16. Give me a situation report when you can.
We're having a hard time keeping up. I might need a hand here. Any other units stand by?